Grab that, go back to the sink, and just start eating them shamefully. Just make eye contact with her. She's just staring at you.
I'm right with you.
Start going faster, Joe. Start shoving them in. Ask her if she's ready to place her order.
Are you ready?
You should see your face. Look, I got a white confectionery sugar mustard
I have it from the Twinkies.
all over everywhere.
Are you ready to order?
I ordered the cheese fries.